How to make Google Chrome your default browser. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up settings and then scroll down to apps. Then click on default apps, then browser app. And here you will be able to choose your default browser app. So click on Google Chrome, select it, and then go back, and that's it. As you can see, Google Chrome is now set as your default browser app. So that was it. That's how you can make Google Chrome the default browser on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next one.